Okay, we're on the last pour. And thank God, because it's wet. So that probably took, I don't know, I think it took like 20 minutes or something, but we got to get out of here, you guys. Look at how wet it is. Look at the water. I've seen a video. Isn't that crazy? That's 9 pounds. It's been a while since I've been this wet. Look at beaver shoot. Or something. It's been a while since I've been this wet. This is first inlet, I think. That's all rain. Is that white? Craziness, hey? And you can't even really see Paleo coming over there, the tiny time. I'm at freezing. Okay, and the lines in. There we go. Can't see the mountains. Yeah, when you're in the rainforest and it's raining this hard, it's intense. Literally. What's that? It's pretty. It's pretty. So it's going to get some oil here. Look at how wet I am. Look at that. 2 more minutes in the rock. Come on, rock. I super appreciate it. Dylan, I super appreciate you doing that. It's very nice. We're wet. We got wet. It's going to be cool though. This one's pretty. Wait till I get it home. Whoop. Alright. Listen. Woo!
Well, I could try and split it now.
Yeah, let's try. Because it's wet.